Welcome guys, welcome again to another video here to Martin Devs. Thanks for my new subscribers. Thank you guys. I have the application. I have done some few updates on it. So I wanted to show you first. I am going to show you the application and then I'll share with you what I done to it. So here we go. So here's the application. I got three items here. Right here, you can actually click on the detail. You can add it to the cart. Uh, you can actually see more pictures on it. You can add it to the cart. Uh, let me see. I can do the same thing over here. So I have three items here. It gives me the total, and I can actually go to the summary. I can input my info. I'm gonna make up some numbers here. Gonna add up this address here. It's made up, so all right, so this is going to be the total. It tells me there the quantity and then the prices. So I'm going to go ahead and place the order. So this right here goes to the Stripe. So the total on it is on test mode on the Stripe is $2,370. So here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the tests. I'm going to use the tests that they give you from the Stripe. So let me pull it up over here. Right here. So it gives you can actually use the test. So here it gives you the whole documentation. You have to create an account on the Stripe. So once you create that, you should be able to access this. So let me go ahead and grab this number here. It says test example. Okay. So let me go back to the application. Make a actually let me put my email. I want to know what will happen. Okay, so now here I wanted to put down 424242. All right, so let me do that. 424242424242. I think that's how many it is. Let me check. There's one, two, three, four total. Four. One, two, three, four. Okay. So I have that right there. I'm gonna go ahead and put down I guess the date today is I'm gonna put down 06 05. Oh, wait, what is that supposed to be the year? Okay. So I'm gonna put down 06. I'll put down 2025 like that. And then I'm gonna put down security code. I'm gonna put down 567, just like an example, 567. Car holder. I am gonna put down, let me see what this one. I just gonna make up a name here. Just gonna put down that. I'm gonna put down, make up a zip code, and let's see what happens. I'm gonna go ahead and hit pay. No, thanks. I don't want to save it. And cool. Now it says your order place has been successful. So now I can actually go into the Stripe account. Where did I put it? Okay, let me do this real quick. Okay, so now I can see it right here. The one it says it went through. It shows the email, the customer's email, the date, and it shows if it was the client, and so it went through. So that's cool. So then the confirmation. But yeah, so this is the application. I can actually, let me go back to the panel and I'm going to go ahead and add up products. So you can see product list. So you can see the product list, but I'm going to actually add up a new product. So I'm going to input a product. So I'm going to put down, amazing, I'm going to put down shirts or something. So then I'll put down I'll put down just amazing shirts for sale. Amazing shirts for sale. And I'll put down make up a IB number. Put down my name. I'll put down here the price will be, let's just make it 20. List price will be $25. But if you buy a bunch of them, you can get it for $300. From 1 to 50, you can get it for $300. If you get 50 or more, you can get it for 200. I'm just making up some numbers right now. Um, 300, I guess, and you can select close. And let's pick a picture. I'm just going to select this one and I'm going to hit create. So now we have 4 items. And if we can actually click and edit. No, that was not the one I needed. Let me go back to products, product list. Actually, is this one right here. Amazing shirts. Yeah, you see that? It's right there. Oh, sorry about that. So yeah, so you can actually, if I want to update the price, I can actually go here, can change it to to 60, and I can hit update. See, it says right there 260. So what it does it look over here? Let's take a look on the yeah, there's nothing there. So I can go back to continue shopping. See, it shows right there. Yeah, so that's cool. So yeah, so this is I still gotta implement this right here. I gotta add up the pagination and we're gonna go back to the panel. But yeah, so the panel here, I'm gonna add up more stuff to it. But let me show you guys the code. This is the code here. I have one for the card, one for index, order confirmation, one for summary. So I have all of that. Um, so yeah, so this here, let me show you guys. I have the HTML here. Perfect there. Let me go back over here where it says so inside the views I have created like this is called the partials. So I created that. So yeah, there's a lot of goodies there. Anyways, guys, so I'm doing more updates now, quicker. But yeah, this is I'm gonna go ahead and upload the update. I'm gonna upload the code for the Stripe. Let me show you guys. So I have a new utility for my Stripe for the settings, all of that. So I have created a class for the Stripe settings. So that's my personal info. You have to create one. So then also, let me see. Inside the card controller, I did create a summary here, a summary function here. So yeah, and that's using this is using the Stripe. Okay, so that's that. All of that, I'm gonna share that with you guys on the in my GitHub. So if you have problems on it, so you should be able to access it in my GitHub. So I'll share that with you guys. But yeah, stay tuned for more videos. I just wanted to make a share that with you guys to let you know what the progress is on the website, on the application. So so little by little, so seeing that it is responsive. So you can actually click on that on the dashboard. You can click on that. Let me see what else. You can log out and it sends you to that. You can go to the main store, see it is responsive. So the everything is mobile responsive. So let me show you guys the detail page. See, it's still mobile responses, so fits nicely in the screen. So yeah. All right, guys. Well, stay tuned for more videos. I will share the code in the bottom of the video. Make sure don't forget to leave your comment. If you have any questions, make sure you share it and don't forget to subscribe. Help the channel grow. I appreciate it very much. Um, Spending a lot of time on this application. So if you guys can return the favor, watching my videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up. That's all I'm asking. Not asking for no money. I'm just asking for a little bit of support. If you guys can, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment on the bottom of the video. That we really, greatly, greatly appreciate it. All right. Stay tuned for more. See you on the next one.